What's going on, phone nerds? Ian here again from Mega Mobile USA, and today I want to show you a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Legion Pro 5G. Now you can pick this up in my store. I'll leave a link in the description. If you purchase it from me, this is exactly what you're going to get. Now this phone has a couple of really high-end specs, including a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. It has a 6.65-inch screen with a 144 Hz display refresh rate. It's dual SIM. It's got a 64 megapixel main camera, a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. You can get it in 128, 256, or 512 gigabyte with either 8, 12, or 16 gigabytes of RAM. Now this version is from China. However, it does have Google Play services installed. So you're gonna get everything. You're gonna get the Play Store, you're gonna get Gmail, you're gonna get Maps, you're gonna get Calendar, the whole nine. So you don't have to worry about not being able to access anything by purchasing this, okay? So let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. It's got a little sleeve there. Slide that out the way. Got here just some writing, no big deal. And then what you do is you lift the top like this, and it'll say Legion. And then you lift here. And it makes that really cool noise there. Lift the phone out here real quick. It says stylish outside, savage inside. It's pretty cool. Got the phone right here. Set that aside. This is obviously the blue one. This little insert that was holding the phone. Then we got this little insert that says stylish on the outside, savage on the inside, exactly what the phone says. Lift that open, you got the SIM eject tool. And then there's this really dingy plastic sort of case. I mean, I would put it on just for the sake of putting it on to have something on there, but this is not gonna protect anything, and it looks like, I mean, I could snap it, like if I just kept doing that. So there's that. Looks like a quick start guide, and then a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. So that's pretty cool. You don't see those around too often anymore. Got a USB-C to C cable, and then it looks like another C to C. However, this one's smaller. I'm not sure why. You can see that the length is obviously different. If someone wants to drop a comment below and tell me why, that'd be great. I'll give you a special deal on the phone. Got this awesome, actually dual USB charger on the back. Dual USB-C spots. That's actually really cool. And this guy here will plug in the wall. If by chance it does come with a different kind of plug, you can always just pop it on. I do provide adapters for everything anyways, so whatever you like. But that's pretty much it, pretty quick there. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Like the video if you liked it, or if you're gonna purchase it, subscribe. Any questions, just drop them below. I'll give you the best price if you ask. You can shoot me an email and we'll take care of that real quick. And as always, I appreciate your business. Thank you very much.